Hello everyone, in today's video on Crypto Fox, we will see how Elon Musk responds to a partnership of Dogecoin with Ethereum. As we go through the video, we'll also be looking at some of Dogecoin's latest news. We'll also take a look at some chart analysis of Dogecoin's price pattern. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals. And we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check it out via the links in the description and also in the pinned comment. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get a 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. So finally, there seems to be a specific point of agreement between Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik had earlier mentioned how thrilling it would be for Ethereum to work with Dogecoin. This collaboration would bring significant development to Dogecoin, and Ethereum would also benefit in some ways. Vitalik made this remark in an interview with AI researcher Lex Fridman. Elon Musk responded by saying he agrees with Vitalik about the positive nature of a collaboration between Dogecoin and Ethereum. An Ethereum-Dogecoin bridge is a possibility from what we can see. Lex acknowledged the power behind someone like Elon Musk pushing the development of a cryptocurrency such as Dogecoin. And he asked questions about how Ethereum can also benefit, and Vitalik Buterin replied that if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum, and then people can trade Doge thousands of times a second inside of looping. So there's no direct competition between Dogecoin and Ethereum, and it seems like a good idea for the two to work together. Ethereum is committed to gaining scalability, and when Ethereum gets any scalability that works for Ethereum assets, you would be able to trade wrapped Dogecoin with very low transaction fees and very high speed. Ethereum is currently undergoing an upgrade, transitioning from a proof-of-work consensus model to a proof-of-stake model. Buterin recently explained why the upgrade is taking longer than expected. Ethereum is now in a better economic position, and it's taken about 5 years to get where it is now. In other news, the Canadian Prime Minister's sibling goes wild for Dogecoin at Bitcoin 2021. He suggested that people should keep an eye out for Dogecoin. He's the first individual close to a world leader to make his mark in supporting Dogecoin. Kyle Kemper, the 37-year-old half-brother of Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, said he was launching a Dogecoin project. The initiative, called the Million Doge Disco, is, according to Kemper, a combination of the smartphone game Pokemon Go, the popular 1990s digital pet craze Tamagotchi, and non-fungible tokens. There is honestly Doge floating around us, said Kemper. He recommended that people exchange some other crypto for Dogecoin. He's known as a Bitcoin and general crypto advocate, and he points out how thrilling youth seem to have found crypto. He said Dogecoin is a beautiful intro currency, so it's effortless for kids to get started with Doge. The recent Dogecoin rally came on the back of Dogecoin adoption by Coinbase Pro. As a result, it's become one of the top 3 most traded digital currencies on leading global exchanges. For example, cryptocurrency trading simulator CryptoParrot data indicates that the coin ranked 3rd in trading volume on the world's largest exchange, Binance, at $116 billion in May. On Huobi Exchange alone, Dogecoin trading volume for the last month stood at $51 billion, while Bitcoin was second at $64 billion. Ethereum remains the most traded cryptocurrency, with a trading volume of $85 billion. The growth of Dogecoin has been remarkable, having surged almost 8,000% on a year-to-date basis, with a rally mainly inspired by social media influence and the input of celebrities led by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The mining activity of Dogecoin has picked up exceedingly since May. Dogecoin miners earned about $6 million as May ended, and between January 1st and June 3rd, the Dogecoin total 30-day average mining revenue was $259.33 million. The number of millionaires made by Dogecoin increased, and about 2,866 Dogecoin wallets each had a value of at least $1 million growth of 116% from April 23rd. Elon Musk is not entirely held culpable for the growth of Dogecoin. Some of the things that have led to Dogecoin's appreciation include Bitcoin's tough luck on the charts. Musk announced that Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin for vehicle purchases. According to Tesla, Bitcoin's carbon footprint was a significant point of concern, and the company was searching for energy-efficient crypto. Doge supporters speculated that the coin might replace Bitcoin, leading to an inflow of capital in the asset. The trading volume for May also reflects the rough path of Bitcoin. When the asset slumped from the April all-time high, Bitcoin faced carbon footprint concerns alongside increasing regulatory crackdown. This chart predicted that by June 12th, Dogecoin would finally break above this pattern to 45 to 55 cents as the main targets here. It suggested that if no bullish breakout is confirmed, it may mean a fake-out, resulting in a breakdown instead of up. We'll be waiting to see if an even more significant breakout happens one way or the other. However, we agree with the analyst that there is a high probability that currently favors the continuation of the bulls. In this chart, the main idea is what the month of June holds for Dogecoin. The month could very well go on with Dogecoin getting up into the mid-50s. Sustenance at 50 cents is assumed still to be a good enough place for the price action. The price is poised to break out of a descending triangle and could establish a bullish outlook in the process. It may be nothing, but it was interesting to note, especially since many are looking for much lower prices to buy the dip. At the moment, this idea is questionable, since markets have a way of deteriorating investor sentiments, and emotionally we become conditioned to the notion that price needs to go lower, as it seems almost expected. And that is when it often does the opposite. We could see a polarizing effect in the price trend. Things may not end up as they seem. Dogecoin is following the long-term bullish trend. In the monthly time frame, Dogecoin is leading what could be a bull rally, and this will be extremely important to go long to reach the all-time high of 76 cents. It's best to time our investments in Dogecoin while it's in the lower zone. The analysts suggest that Dogecoin could go to $1 or above this price very soon. Adoption is becoming a luxury, especially when Dogecoin is about to hit a significant value that we can't begin to imagine. In the actual context, it's still within the top 5 cryptos, and that should be in anyone's portfolio right now, right there with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA. Dogecoin has much news in its application. It's becoming increasingly relevant to banks globally as it meets their needs. For that reason, this cryptocurrency is a fascinating one to invest in. But that's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. Do you think Ethereum and Dogecoin should collaborate? Let us know in the comments section down below. And don't forget, you can now support us on Patreon, and you can join the free Discord group via the link in the description. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.